Good morning, students. As we were studying chapter number 16, primitive man means early men, and in this chapter I have told you about that how we are evolved from the apes and the monkeys and become a man like we are now. And I have told you that how the early men used to live and what they supposed to eat, how they get what they want for eating by hunting. And I have told you about the discovery of fire as well. I've told you that how the people used to move from one place to another in search of food because they do not know how to grow it. And the clothes they wear, they used to cover their body with the help of animal skin and plant leaves and branches. Then I have told you about the discovery of fire, when the early men already know about the fire but they are afraid of it. But sooner they learn how to ignite the fire with the help of stones. They used fire for many purposes, like fire keep them warm. They also used to protect them from wild animals because wild animals are afraid of fire. And they can one piece of meat fall in the fire and it tastes good and easy to digest. So that's why they have learned cooking from the fire as well. So see, students, in this picture early humans are dancing around the fire. Why they used to dance around the fire? Because of the fire they get a lot of things. Animals do not come to them to eat, and they cook their food on fire, and the fire protects them from cold winds. So that's why they used to worship the fire like a god, and that's why all early men are dancing around it and celebrating. So fire is very important for early men. Now, from gatherers to producer. Children, I have told you that early men used to gather their food and they moved from one place to another in search of fruits, water and animals. But what happened? One day, one man was eating. Early men see that whatever the fruits they are eating, they throw the seed here and there. जो भी फ्रूट वो खाते थे उसके सीड वो इधर उधर फेंक देते थे. एक बार उन्होंने देखा कि जो जहां पर उन्होंने सीड फेंका था, that seed developed into a new plant. So they observed and learned that if they put the seed into the soil, they will grow and become a new plant. कि अगर वो seed soil में डालेंगे तो क्या होगा, वो new plant में grow हो जाएंगे. Eventually they also learned that if they water that plant, the seed will grow much faster. उन्होंने अगर देखा कि अगर वो उस जगह पानी डालेंगे तो सीड और जल्दी उगेगा. So that's how the early men used to learn how to grow crops. So, and what they are doing, they start living near river because river have a lot of water. They can cultivate their crops, and they start making their homes with the help of wood. So early men throw seed here and there of plants, and gradually they become fruit after eating the fruit, and the seed will become a plant. After that, early men learn how to, and that's how the early men discover the farming method. तो कितना उन्होंने फार्मिंग मेथड भी अब डिस्कवर कर लिया था. कैसे डिस्कवर किया था? उन्होंने देखा कि जो सीड फ्रूट के सीड्स उन्होंने इधर उधर थ्रो किए हैं उससे प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं. सो दे स्टार्ट पुटिंग द सीड्स इनटू द सॉइल एंड दे गेट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स फ्रॉम इट. Now this is how they discover the farming method. Now they do not have to move from one place to another in search of anything. They can grow their food by their own. Now next thing is rearing animals. Rearing animals is keeping the animals for meat, milk and other animal products. So animals such as buffalo, the goat, the camel, the horse, etc. were used by early humans as food and later for the milk. ठीक है, तो एनिमल्स का यूज अर्ली मैन कैसे करते थे कि उनसे उन्हें क्या मिलता था? वी नो दैट फ्रॉम बफेलो, कैमल, गॉट वी गेट द मिल्क, and early men used to hunt them for their meat as well. So, and what they used to do after that, after eating those animals, they use the skin of those animals to cover their body and to make their home as well. So they learn to domesticate these animals. So these animals will become the domestic animal. After that, early men also used to carry their loads on the animals. You can see that this is a horse cart which is used to carry loads from one place to another. And they also used animals to plug their field so they can sow the seeds very easily. So early men also start keeping animals for getting milk, meat and egg from that, so they do not have to hunt and run from one place to another for in search of food. Now they learn how to grow their crop. Now they learn how to keep animals for their use. Now the one and the most important thing that early men invented was the wheel. Children, the invention of a wheel is a very interesting story, but before the invention of the wheel, we will study how the raft was invented. Children, raft is a small boat which early men used to travel from one place to another in water. So one day what happened, student? You can see, one day early men saw that the logs of the dry wood used to float in the water. अर्ली मैन ने एक दिन क्या देखा कि जो लकड़ी है ना, जो लॉग्स होते हैं वुड के, वो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करते हैं. तो उसने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं इन सबको बाइंड कर दूं. आई विल टाई ऑल देम टुगेदर एंड मेक अ बोट सो आई कैन इजीली गो फ्रॉम वन बैंक ऑफ रिवर टू अनदर. मैं रिवर के एक साइड से दूसरी साइड इजीली जा पाऊंगा. सो व्हाट दे हैड डन, they bind the sticks together, they bind the logs together and make a small raft. Now they can go from one bank of the river to another to get the food over there. So this is how the raft invented. If you read this story, you will learn that how the raft invented. One day the early men saw the floating log on the river, on the water, and they bind all the logs together and make a raft. Now let's talk about the invention of the wheel. So it was believed that 5,000 years ago, what happened? 5,000 साल पहले क्या हुआ था? Was same thing, that the early man was sitting and saw that from a hill a log of wood is rolling down. तो एक दिन एक अर्ली मैन कहाँ बैठा हुआ था? ग्राउंड पर बैठा हुआ था, और उसने क्या देखा कि जो एक वुडन लॉग है वो रोल करता हुआ नीचे आ रहा है. ठीक है, कहाँ से नीचे आ रहा है? हिल से नीचे आ रहा है. एंड ही सॉ दैट हाउ फास्ट इट इज रोलिंग डाउन. इट नेवर हैपन्स. अगर इतना फास्ट वो रोल करके कैसे आ सकता है? इतना फास्ट तो कोई भी चीज नहीं चलती. सो ही थिंक दैट if wooden log can roll that fast, we can carry animals on them. So see children, this is a pencil. If I keep it here, it can easily roll down. So why it is happening? Because it is in round shape. But if I keep something else, it will not roll down. Like if I keep any flat thing which is not round, it will not roll down easily. So that he observed that the round thing can roll down easily. So what he had done, he keep 3-4 round things, like 2-3 more logs, 4-5 more logs he kept in a row. And what happened? He keep the weight on these logs, like an animal and anything else. Like if I keep this mobile phone on this, it can easily roll down. If I keep my mobile phone in this, it can easily roll down. But अगर मैं ये अगर ये नहीं हो तो ये रोल नहीं करेगा. अगर मैं ये पेन्स यहाँ पे रख दूं, पेन्स एंड पेंसिल्स, और अगर मैं इसके ऊपर फोन रख दूं, आई विल कीप माई फोन लाइक दैट, सो इट विल इजीली रोल डाउन. कितना इजीली रोल हो रहा है, एक फिंगर से ही रोल हो रहा है, ज्यादा वेट लगाना ही नहीं पड़ रहा. बट अगर ये हटा दूं तो एक फिंगर से रोल होगा? नहीं हो रहा. सो ही ऑब्जर्व लाइक दैट. सो व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू डू, he used to keep these logs and start putting the loads on it to move one place to another. And one day what he had done, he cut the one end of the log and make a wheel. So you can see this is an ancient wheel. So this is how the wheel invented. Soon they put a stick on the both wheels and make the cart like this, which is over here. अब देखो इसमें wheels है ना. So he make the cart like that and animal can easily push that weight. द व्हील इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर मेक पोट्रीज. आपको पता है ना व्हील्स का यूज पोट्रीज बनाने में भी किया जाता है. क्यों किया जाता है? बिकॉज टू व्हील कैन रोटेट एंड मेक द पोटर कैन मेक पॉट्स ऑन इट. So invention of a wheel was a great discovery. Now wheels are everywhere around you. Your car have wheels, your bicycle have a wheel, and there are so many wheels and ball bearings in the machineries as well. So discovery of metal we will study onwards. I will share you one more video. Watch that video as well. It have a great story of the invention of the wheel. So up to till then, bye bye, take care.